Thank you for joining us for this operational video of the UniChock wheel-based vehicle restraints available from Brands of Systems. The UniChock design is universally effective and comes equipped with an IDOT controller and light communication with both interior and exterior lights, as well as audible alarms both inside and outside. So for this video, we're going to be using a demonstration model with a wheel to demonstrate how the equipment works. The UniChock is constructed with aluminum on the unit, making it lightweight, easy to maneuver, while still holding strength and durability. On the bottom of it is zinc-plated steel teeth that has strength to maintain a grip on the surface. These can also be replaced if they're ever worn down for longevity of the unit. The storage bracket is also zinc-plated steel that is mounted to the exterior of the loading dock. And inside that storage bracket is a sensor as well as a sensor inside of the unit. Both can detect when the unit is in a safe position or if it's in the stored position. From the storage bracket is a rod that the wire would go up to that would then bend over and extend the wire out, keeping the wire out of harm's way from any damage. To operate the UniChock, when a trailer backs up to a loading dock and is parked against the bumpers, either the truck driver or dock personnel can remove the UniChock from the storage bracket, which would then indicate on the inside that the chock is in operation and the outside telling the truck driver not to move away. The unit is then placed underneath the tire, and you hear that audible alarm as an indication that it's in a safe position and loading can proceed. You'll see that in the inside of the building, the light turns to green, letting the dock personnel know that it's safe to begin loading, and the exterior maintains a red light telling the truck driver not to pull away. There's also a message on the display on the IDOT controller indicating that you can proceed with loading, that the chock is in the correct position. During loading, the UniChock is underneath the tire, and if pressure is applied from the trailer trying to pull out or being forced away, the unique design of the UniChock actually applies that pressure downward and maintains the UniChock in a steady position, maintaining that safe position during loading. We've seen a lot of other similar designs that actually tend to slide away if force is applied, creating an unsafe position. Now, if the UniChock is removed at any point during loading, the sensor in the unit would indicate that it's not in a safe position, and on the IDOT controller, it would change to a red X with a pullout alert and would make an alarm that sounds like this. When loading is complete, the UniChock is either sequenced automatically with the overhead door or the leveler. So when one of those are stored or in the closed position, this indication lets everyone know that loading is complete and they can store the UniChock to the storage bracket. You'll see on the inside of the building is this amber triangle letting them know that the restraint is in operation, and the exterior of the building will have these alternating red and green lights letting the truck driver know that loading has been completed and we're just waiting to store the UniChock device. Once the UniChock is removed from underneath the tire, the truck driver or dock personnel who's operating it has approximately 6 to 10 seconds to remove it or to return it to the storage bracket. If it's just left off to the side, an audible alarm will start alerting them that they need to return it to the storage bracket. It sounds something like this. But otherwise, once they return it to the storage bracket, the lights will change back to the normal position, and now the truck driver is free to pull away. Not only is every UniChock equipped with an IDOT controller with the light communication, but this IDOT controller can also be interlocked with a leveler or overhead door as well. And lastly, each IDOT controller can be connected online to MyQ Dock Management. With MyQ Dock Management, gives you an online analytics of your loading activity, helps you improve your operational efficiency, as well as monitor the safety of your loading by monitoring the usage of the UniChock. Thank you for watching this operational video on the UniChock wheelbase vehicle restraint. For more information, visit our McGuire Brands website at wbmcguire.com or contact your local regional representative.